I like to usually chunk those out in 1 to 2 hours, could be 1.5 is the perfect amount of time. You get your subject matter experts on the phone or on your computer, usually these days, and you're sharing your screen. So it can be any sharing system that you may have, and they can see a process map start to take shape. So your subject matter experts then are paying attention to that screen. I, as a facilitator and mapper, I'm asking them questions about steps in their process, and I'm capturing those in their words as well as I can right on the screen. And as they see them, they realize, oh, I would change that word, or I would move that box to later after this one, and so forth. And it just takes shape over the course of that hour and a half, say, session. By the end, the people who have contributed to it are saying, yeah, that's really good. And they're enthusiastic about having gotten their ideas down into a cogent process flow that everyone can then talk about.